my dear students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is multiply numbers up to 5 digits by a number up to 3 digits. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to multiply numbers up to 5 digits by a number up to 3 digits. Step number 1, multiplicand by 2, we get what? Now we are going to do actual multiplication. For that you need to remember the tables. Yes, the tables are really very important for that. If you don't remember the table, you are not able to solve these kind of questions. Okay, so do remember the tables first. So now I am going to start it. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So I will write down 4 right over here below the line which you have drawn with multiplication sign. Okay, so right now you are going to write 4 number here, and then you are going to multiply the number 2 with the number which you are going to multiply the number 2 with the digit which is at tens position. 2 multiplied by 3 is 2 3s are, yes, 6. So you are going to write down 6 over here right below the number which is at tens place. Now again I will take this number 2 and I am going to multiply this number by 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is, yes, 2 5s are 10. So it has how many digits? Yes, it has 2 digits. This means that 1 digit I will carry forward and 1 digit I will write down. The digit which I am going to write down will be at ones place, and the digit which I need to carry forward will be at tens place. So here I will take 0 over here below the number that will be at hundreds place, and then I will take 1 carry on the number 2 which is at 100 place. Now my dear students, what I need to do is I will take the number 2 again, and then I am going to multiply it with the number 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, no need to forget that to add the number 1 which is lying above the number 2. So 4 plus 1 is 5. I will write down this number 5 here. You can see. Now I am going to multiply again. Now I will multiply the number 2 with the number 3 which is lying at 10,000 place. Yes, the number 3 which is lying at 10,000 place. 2 3s are 6. So I will write down 6 here like this. Now this is the second step. What I have done in the expanded form, if you remember, 4, the digit 4 stands for 40. 40 means 0. 40 means 4 multiplied by 10. So for that 10 I can take 1 0 and write over here right on my right hand side. Right on my right hand side, that is at ones place. So I will write 1 0 because this is the 10th. Because this is the tens position. So I will write 1 0 of that position. Okay, so 0 I will write here, and then I am going to multiply the number 4 with the rest of the number which is the multiplicand. So multiplicand is, yes, this one is multiplicand. So I am going to circle it in my mind only, and then I am going to do the same thing as I did with the number 2. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is 4 2s are 8. So I am going to write 8 here below the number 6, and then I am going to multiply 4 with the number 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 is again a 2-digit number. So what I will do, you already know that I will take 1's digit and put it down, which is number 2, and I will take the number 1 which is at tens place and I will put it on the top of the neighboring number, means the digit at 100 place. So you can see here, this is over here on the number, this is over here on the number 5. So I will write down 2 here, as you can see below the number 0. Now I am going to multiply the number 4 with 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 20 plus 1, you can see we are going to add this one which is carried. Yes. So it will be 21. So 1 is at 1's place again because this is a 2-digit number, and 2 is at 10's place. So tens will go on the top of the number 2 and 1 will come on the number 2 and 1 will come below the number 5. You can see here the number is here below the number 5. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, because 2 is carried over here. 8 plus 2 is 10. So again I am going to repeat the same thing and I am going to write 0 over here, and I am going to take the number 1 on the top of the number 3. Okay. So now again I am going to multiply the number 4 with the number 3. Now 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13. So I will write the number 13 over here, as you can see on your screen as well. Now third step. The third step, as you remember in the expanded form what I did, yes, I have written the number 500, which means that 5 multiplied by 100. Remember? So I am going to take these 2 zeros for 100 and put these 2 zeros over here right below ones and tens position of the number in the next step. Now I am going to multiply the multiplicand by 5. Now we are going to multiply the number 5 with multiplicand. That is, again we are going to start from our right hand side, or you can say that from ones. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Yes, so for 10 you are going to write 10 because 10 is at 1's place. 10 is at 1's place, and I will write the number 1 on the top of the number 3. And I will write the number 1 on the top of the number 3 because 1 is at 10's place. So my dear students, we are going to do this kind of multiplication again by multiplying the number 5 by the number 3. 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 15 means that, again this is 2-digit number, but you forgot to add 1. So we are going to add 1, so it will be 16. Okay, 16 means that 6 is at 1's place. So I will put it down here, you can see, and I will bring the number 1 on the top of the number 5. So next is, I am going to multiply the number 5 by the number 5. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26. So I will write the number 6 here and 2 will go again on the top of the number 2. Now I am going to multiply the number 5 by the number 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So I will write the number 2 here, right over here, and one number will go above the number 3. Now I will multiply the number 5 by 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16. So I will write this whole complete number here, 1 6. And now I am going to write down plus sign with the number 16, as you can see. Then I will draw a line. Now I am going to add these numbers which I got by multiplication. 4 0 0. 4 plus 0 is, you know that 0 is nothing. If we are going to add it twice, means nothing is added 2 times. So I will write 4 over here at 1's place. Now 6 plus 8 is, yes, 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 I will write here, and because 0 is having no value, so means that 14 will be same. So 14, for 14 I will write the number 4 here, and 1 will be carried on the number 0. Now, do not forget to add this number 2 plus 1, or you can say that 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3, plus 0 is 3. So I will write the number 3 over here. Now 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So I will write down 2 over here because this is at 1's place, and 1 will be carried to the number, 1 will be carried on the number 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 will be here and 1 will go over there on the top of the number 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 I will write here. Now I am going to add 1 plus 6 is 7. You know that. This is very simple and easy addition. Now this one will come down as it is. My dear students, when you have done multiplication, addition, these kind of steps, you no need to forget one thing, which is you need to write down the commas according to the International Place Value System. So, you know it. We are going to start from my right hand side and we'll count 3 digits. After 3 digits, I will write comma like this, and then again I will count 3 more digits after this comma. Then again I will write comma. Okay, so this is the final answer, and 17,632,344 is your final answer. I can write down this answer by writing simple horizontal position like this. You can see that this one. So 32,532 multiplication sign and then 542 is equals to 17,632,344. So we can write down this answer in horizontal way. Horizontal way is this one. You know that this is horizontal position and this is vertical way or vertical position. So my dear students, I am going to write it down with a multiplication sign. So here it is. So comma 32,532, then a multiplication sign, then 542, then equals to sign, then 17,632,344 is my answer of this multiplication question. Hope the multiplication process and steps are clear to you. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.